What's up, y'all? It's your boy Brian. I'm back with another video. This is Mukbang 5, and I ordered from Outback. So yeah, cheesecake, my ribeye, and chili. No, not chili, but cheesy fries and ribeye. And got a baked potato. No, this. Oh no, this is a sweet potato. Yep, that's the sweet potato. Oh yeah. I ain't had sweet potato for a long time. And the cheesecake. I eat that out later. After. And it's the baked potato. Get that butter. Man, hope everybody having a good day today. Um, oh, that seasoned good. That baked potato seasoned good. A little salty, but it's good. Just a little tad salty. Just a little. Just a little salty. That's all good. I just throw the video in the room where it's quiet. Cause my last videos, it's too much noise. So, hey, I'll cut through this sweet potato. Oh no, oh, oh Lord, I'm trapping. Listen, on sweet potatoes, the bread. I could have sworn I got sweet potato, but it's all good. And I got my steak, ribeye. Got that ribeye. Man, I ain't trying to dig. Mm, it was good. I think I had sauce in here though. Sauce for the ribeye. So yeah, definitely comment below. Um, what's your favorite meal to get at Outback? What's your favorite meal to get? Man, so I know the sauce for the steak, but I just had to try it on my fries. Got my bread. But I'm gonna definitely hit up Call of Duty later on. Oh, that ranch. Man, that ribeye on point. Sorry if you can't see the food. So let's turn it this way. And got my cheesecake right here. And I got the raspberry sauce for that. So, so these fries are good. God. Put a little Outback sign on the back. but but I always like the Outback with their ribeye. They're good on that part. Wanted to do something different, so I'm gonna be doing the same thing over and over. Hmm. Comment below if you have got a ribeye from Outback and how was it? I give this ribeye from a scale of 1 to 10. I give this ribeye a 10. That's how good it is. Chili cheese fries, I give it a 9. The bread, I'm a bread lover, so I'm gonna give it a 10. My um baked potato, I haven't tried it yet. I gotta get that suited up. Now butter. Can't do without the butter. Put that butter on that. Well, that's sour cream. Yeah, this is sour cream. Alright, let's try this baked potato. See how it's rocking. It's good. Give this a 10. So, yeah. The ribeye is not dry, it's not even dry. It's very moist and flavored just right. It's flavor on point. You know, let you know how good this ribeye is. Man, I done took half of it already. At some point. Yeah. This bread is so good. This bread is really, really good. I love this bread. Yeah. Right. Chili fries. And I just put sour cream on my baked potato. If you can see it. I just put sour cream on it. I ain't want to do too much. So, man, stick on. It's real on point. But the fries is on point. Oh, shoot. Drop the fry. It's not a lot of fat around it. I don't eat the fat. Comment below. Do you eat the fat off the ribeye? I don't eat it though. I'm trimming the fat off because I don't eat the fat. Let me know if y'all do. But I don't. So the bread on point though. Some good bread. I can eat like 4 of these. It's really good. You eat the bread by itself. Nothing else. Nothing else with it. You just eat it by itself. So definitely gonna hit up that Call of Duty and broadcast that tonight. Check out, fry. I need some a little bit of baked potato. Yes, sir. Rub out on point. I don't know what I do my top for this. Look for my top. Put my little sign back. Outback sign on the back. They won't stay. Oh, they don't want to stay. Yeah, this food on point though. Yo, for a second I thought this wasn't recording. I was about to get scared. Oh. Eat fries. Got a little too much salt on it. I don't want to eat too much of those. Got a little too much salt. Somebody with a little bit too heavy hand on the salt. Can't wait to get close to this right here. Cheesecake. New York style. Just the skin of the potato. Yo, the skin on this potato is fire. It's on point. No more bread. I'm gonna say this piece for to offend everything else. Cause I only got like this much left of bread. So I'll put this back so I can have it with this right here. have at least one final moment with the bread. Yo, this potato skin, at some point, I kid you not, it's seasoned just right. Comment below, how do you fix your potato? Your baked potato. How do you fix yours? Right now, I just put sour cream on mine. That was it. I know we're lacking a lot of stuff, but I ain't want that much on it. This potatoes on point. Oh yeah. Man. Alright. Last bread. Last bread. Let's have one final moment. One final moment. It's so good. We gotta eat. Mm. Sorry. I hate four. But it's been a good day. Fat. Don't want this. My other control somewhere. That's the one I'm using. But somebody, yeah. Alright. What's wrong with the blue one? Babe. I'm gonna have to pass on the fries. Dang it. Woo. Time out. Whoa. Time out. Time out. That's too much salt in the fries. Ah. I love you, Outback, but too much salt. Hold off on the salt. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. That's too much salt. Alright, let's get to this baby right here. Cheesecake time. That was a, I ain't got a rush. Oh, that salt. Alright, what's the raspberry sauce? What's wrong? Oh, put it on the bed. Bye. I love you too, baby. Y'all, that's a lot of salt. Alright, let me show y'all. Cheesecake. Cheesecake with the raspberry sauce. Let me hold it like this. Oh boy. Mm, 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 mm. Yo, cheesecake on point, yo. Thank you, New York style cheesecake. Mm, so good. But this is the last item that finishing. I can't finish the fries and I finished the baked potato, but the fries were too salty. I do want to keep doing videos. If you know what I mean, fries were too salty. They were good, but it was too much salt. Somebody was heavy handed. Mm. Oh yeah, cheesecake New York style. Oh yeah, got the cheesecake New York style. Oh yeah. Mm. So point, yo. It's not dry. It's moist. It just punch you to the belly just right. Mm. Yeah, I might say some of this. It's cheesecake. I'm gonna save some. So good. One more bite. One more bite. I'm gonna save some. Mm. No, no, no. Maybe one more. It's good. All right. I gotta say something for later. So, hope you enjoyed Mukbang 5. Oh, comment below. Um, Let me know what you thought about it. I ate ribeye, bread, baked potato, cheesecake, and cheese fries. So I'm full. Have saved some of that cheesecake because save some of that for the night because that was so good. So I'm gonna save some of the cheesecake for tonight. I appreciate everybody who I appreciate everybody who been subscribing, liking, comment. We at 75 subscribers. Appreciate that. I appreciate y'all. We definitely on that road to 1 million. Definitely keep grinding to that. Keep posting every day and keep working hard. Just having fun with it. With different things, gaming, pranks, mukbangs. Excuse me. I need to do some challenges too. But I'm just trying to do just what's in my circle that just keep y'all interested in it. But other than that, I hope y'all continue to keep watching and tell other people about the page of Brian Love because I appreciate y'all. Um, I'm always definitely feel free to comment because I'm always gonna look at it. I'm always gonna comment back and stuff. So definitely keep doing that and I appreciate y'all. Tell other people. This is Mukbang 5. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. It's your boy. I'm out. Let's find that button.